Proteomics, types and techniques. Proteomics is the study of all proteins found in an organism. There are different subtypes of the proteomics. If we do the comparison between the genome and the proteome, in case of genome, there are 4 nucleotides. It is double helix and same in all cells of an organism. While on the other hand, in case of proteome, it is made up of 20 amino acids. Each protein has a unique 3D shape and the amount of the proteins differ in different cells of the same individual. So this is the difference between the genome and the proteome. What is structural proteomics? Structural proteomics deals with mapping out 3D structures of the proteins within a cell. If we see the structure of the proteins, they are made up of amino acids. Amino acids, they are linked with each other and they form the primary structure. Then primary structure is as a result of folding that forms the secondary structure that can be in the form of helix or that can be in the form of beta sheets. Then secondary structure is converted into the tertiary structure where we can see the alpha helix here and the beta sheets. Then the tertiary structure is converted into the quaternary structure. So these are different levels of folding of the proteins. That proteins are made up of amino acid. Then there is a primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure and quaternary structure. In another view, we can see that this is the primary structure. These are the alpha helix. That is actually the secondary structure that can also be in the form of helix or in the form of pleated sheets. Then tertiary structure and ultimately it is converted into quaternary structures. What is functional proteomics? Functional proteomics includes study about the post-translational modifications of the proteins, protein-protein interaction, protein-ligand interaction, sequence structure, function and relationship. These are all called as functional proteomics. The third type of the proteomics is called as expression proteomics. Expression proteomics refers to quantitative study of protein expression between samples differing by some variable. Analysis of differential protein expression is also studied in the form of expression proteomics. If we see that what is proteomics, what are different types of the proteomics? Proteomics can be in the form of protein expression profiling. If we study the protein expression profiling, it is proteomics. Proteome mining is proteomics. Functional proteomics, structural proteomics, protein-protein interactions, and post-translational modifications. All these studies, they are called as proteomics. Either we are studying post-translational modification or protein expression profiling, proteome mining, functional proteomics, structural proteomics, or protein-protein interaction. All these studies are called as proteomics. Study of proteomics can be in the form of protein profiling, predicting protein structures, and to study about the protein networks. What is protein profiling? That is actually the determination of the proteins that make up a given proteome. If we determine all the proteins and do their profiling, it is called as protein profiling. Protein profiling may vary by cell type. Proteome vary by stage of cell development. Some proteins are abundant and some proteins they are rare. So protein profiling Why we study the protein profiling? Because we have to study the proteins that can vary in different cell types, that can vary at the development of the cell, and that can vary that in some of the cells there can be abundant protein and in some of the cells there can be less protein. How to do protein profiling? There are different techniques which are used to do the protein profiling. Protein profiling can be performed by two-dimensional gel electrophoresis, by chemical protein sequencing, and by protein sequencing using mass spectrometry. How to determine the protein structures? There are different techniques which are used to determine the protein structures. Those techniques, they are called X-ray crystallography, and in addition to X-ray crystallography, computer structure prediction algorithms are also used to find out the structure of the proteins. If we conclude that what is proteomics? Proteomics is the study of all proteins found in an organism. There are different subdisciplines of the proteomics.